guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. If I look tired, it's because I am tired. Woo, this first trimester is kicking my butt. It really is. I'm just exhausted all the time. When I wake up in the morning, I'm like, is it bedtime yet? It's craziness. I'm not complaining though. I'm so blessed and so blessed to be pregnant with my 5th baby. So I'm not complaining. I'm just keeping it real. I'm just keeping it real. So Poshmark Q&A, but before we start this video, I wanted to tell you guys something super exciting. So I have decided to do, hello. A bunch of you guys are asking when my girls are gonna be in my next video. You should check out my vlog channel because I have vlogs with them. What, baby? So yeah, check out my vlog channel if you want to see my girly babes. What was I saying? Oh yeah, exciting announcement. So I have decided to do memberships for my channel. So basically you join my channel. It's right, yeah, exactly what Abilene just said. Yeah, the join button should be right next to the subscribe button, I believe. I will have a link down below in the description box. But basically, you join my channel, you become a member of the Rad Squad, and you get special perks. So thank you, Emmy. She shut my door. She's so like, oh my gosh, my oldest girl. She's just such a little lady now. And she's always like she shut my door because she knew I'm filming a video and Abilene was making noises out there. Like she's so good like that. Like, oh, she's just, anyway, I can't talk about that because I'm gonna cry because kids grow up way too fast, guys. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so when you join my channel, you get perks. I'm gonna be adding more perks, but the first perk that you will get is we are gonna do monthly, I don't know if it's gonna be once a month or twice a month, but I'm gonna do live streams and it's gonna be members only live streams. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, I used to do Blog TV back in the day. I don't even think Blog TV is still around. But yeah, I used to do lives on there all the time. And then did Blog TV turn into YouNow? No, maybe. I know it was Justin TV. Then it was Blog TV, and now is it YouNow? I don't know. Anyway, regardless, I used to do live streamings back in the day, and it was so much fun. If you guys have been around since those days, you should comment down below and let me know. You guys are awesome if you've been around that long. I think that would be a cool thing to start doing again. So if you want to see my members only live streams, my first subscription level is $2.99 a month. And like I said, that'll get you access to my live stream, and there's gonna be other perks as well too. All the info will be down below. But yeah, I don't know, I just thought that'd be a cool thing. I'm gonna be doing like giveaways and stuff on my live stream as well. And we're gonna talk about spam risk. Should I answer it? Let's answer it and see what they say. Hello?
We've been trying to reach you concerning your car's extended warranty. You should have received something in the mail.
I didn't.
Car's extended warranty.
No, I didn't.
Since we have not gotten a response, we are giving you a final courtesy call before we close out your file.
Oh no.
Press 1 to...
Okay, anyway, yeah, if you guys want more information, I will, you know what, that would be a fun thing to do on my live streams, to call back like spammers. I get so many spam calls, like people pretending to be from like the IRS or like, you know, we're calling from the government, we're gonna come arrest you if you don't do this. That'd be really fun to call them back and do that on my live streams. I don't know, we're gonna do a bunch of things on there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. If you're interested in that, I will have a link down below, but let's get on to the Q&A. We're just gonna do a couple questions this time. Just do a couple questions. Okay. First question, someone's opening my door. It's a mystery, who could it be? Someone's opening my door. All right. Focus, Vanessa. I have a Zoom call I need to be on in 45 minutes. Okay. Love your videos. They are so helpful. Question, how do you schedule your time during the day to do Poshmark? Like, do you have a checklist on what has to get accomplished, or when on the app do you do the 30-minute method? Thanks. Okay, so I've talked about this in a previous video before. I do not do the 30-minute method. I don't personally think that it works. I do have a checklist of Poshmark stuff that I have to do every day. Yes, I do. Does it always get done? no, because my 4 children are currently home all day long with me. So yeah, you know, it's a juggle. It's a juggle. Hello, beautiful. How'd you sneak in here? Yes, honey, you can sit with me. As you can see, this is my Emmy girl. Sure, you can sit with me for a minute, okay? Oh, so yeah, it's a struggle, but I love you.
Yeah, Mama, I got on pizza. I got orange in my hair sometimes. I got on brown.
You got brown. You have beautiful. Her hair is so long. She has beautiful Princess Rapunzel hair.
No, you have Rapunzel hair.
No, you have Rapunzel hair.
You
No,
do.
you do. I love you,
too.
my girl. I love you. So yeah, so I do have a checklist and I try to stick to it. It doesn't always happen, like I said. I am planning on doing a day in the life video. I think that'd be really cool. So you guys can just kind of see what my Poshmark life is on the daily.
Mom, when did you use nail polish?
No, remember you guys put all the nail polishes back on my rack? Remember I gave them to you?
Yeah, but we're missing like a couple more. I would find some more somewhere.
How
about I find more nail polish while you're making your video?
Okay, how about that? Careful. Okay, so yeah, I do plan on doing a day in life video soon. I think that'd be cool. As you can see, like interruptions happen, stuff happens, and I just roll with it. Next question, can you use Rakuten for Poshmark? Unfortunately, no, but hold on. Now that I said that, I feel like something in my memory is saying that I saw someone, or I heard someone say, I read something about how you can use Retail Me Not for Poshmark. I'm gonna have to do some research like while I'm editing this video, but I feel like there is some website like Rakuten that you can use for Poshmark. I know there's like Affirm, which is kind of like Afterpay, which is basically like a payment plan website. I know you can use that for Poshmark, but it's only on items over $500, I think. But yeah, unfortunately you can't use Rakuten, which is, I mean, whew, if you could, ooh, that would be great. Next question. Hi Vanessa, I have a question for your next Posh Q&A. Thanks for doing them, by the way. They've been super useful for me as I've had to step up my game during quarantine. If you have an item where you know the style name, do you use that for the title or a keyword description? For example, Lulu's Lawson dress versus Lulu's racerback skater dress. Thanks again for your help. Yes, if I know the style name of an item, I will put that, she's putting on pink lipstick. I will put that in the title and the description because people will most likely search for that. But I try to include like both. Just try to be as descriptive as possible. For sure. All right, next question. Hey Vanessa, love your YouTube videos. They have been so helpful for my Posh closet. I was wondering, what is the point of Poshmark stories? And also, how do you set them up? Because I can't seem to figure it out. Thank you. So they're not rolled out to everyone yet. And basically, I don't know how I feel about them. I mean, I kind of do know how I feel about them before using it, but my opinion might change after using them. But they're kind of like Instagram stories. Baby, don't use too much. They're kind of like Instagram stories. And I think that they do, somebody made this good point on my last video, I think that they do disappear after 48 hours. So that's not really helpful if you, like, I feel like I would use it to tell my followers that I listed new items. And if they disappear after whatever it is, 24 or 48 hours, not everyone's gonna see that, you know? So I don't know. I mean, I'll give them a shot. I'll try them out when they are like officially rolled out, but I don't know. I feel like it's, like I said in my previous video, I feel like it's just gonna be like more work. So I don't know. Like I said, I'll give it a shot, but it's not officially rolled out for everyone yet. So that explains why you're having trouble figuring it out. Okay, last question. Have you ever had an issue with your payment from Poshmark? Not getting it at all, not getting the correct amount, or not having it released when it should be released? Do you track your payments? If so, how exactly? Also, you mentioned in a previous video what you record on the spreadsheet. Can you provide the link to that video or go through it again? I think I've only had one issue where I didn't get my payment. So with my old bank, I would get my deposit the next day. With my new bank, it's within hours, which is amazing. I set up like a business account for like Poshmark earnings, and I literally get my payments within hours. It's amazing. If you guys want me to make a video like talking about the bank that I use, I can do that. But yeah, there was only one time where it took like a couple days to get a payment, and that was because something happened within the Poshmark system, and it wasn't just me, it happened to like a lot of people. So I think it took like 4 or 5 days, which is unusual because like I said, I usually get my money within like 24 hours. So yeah, there's only been one issue. Do I track my payments? Yes, I do. I have an Excel spreadsheet where I track my payments, and talking about my other spreadsheet that I have where I track my inventory. So yes, I'm gonna do a separate video talking about that because I feel like that would be super helpful. But on the spreadsheet, I have, I put the date that the item was listed, the item description, the size, the color, why am I drawing a blank? How much I bought it for, and then, and then when it sells, how much it sold for, right? Is that everything that's on there? Can't think straight right now. Yes, I believe that's everything that's on there. But like I said, I will be doing a separate video talking more in depth about that because I have had quite a few people ask me about like tracking stuff and how I track stuff. So look for that video, hopefully coming soon. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.